Zviri Mudzimba.
Bitch, I'm home. Mbali. Chini mbali. Uchemi. Kazo. Singo gara. Don't worry, Mkadzongo. It's going to be all right.
No, it's not going to be all right. It's so obvious that we're going to lose all this that we have.
Mbai, I'm going to make you a promise, okay? I love you so much. And we're not going to lose anything. Do you understand?
Toma, you're just saying that. I just don't understand what a pet like I have. I have everything a woman can ask for, but I can't give my own husband a child.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry, please. It's going to be all right.
Oh, good morning.
I'm going to say that then.
What are you?
Could you?
You don't go wrong. I don't see right. What's wrong?
No, I'm fine.
I think I was on as a matter. She's your name.
What time? You think I'm ready to have a baby?
That's a good idea. But now I know better. Now this thing is with the Mukadzakati, no, it's a no. Doesn't matter how to no good that interested. And it doesn't matter what in Dogam Road. A woman's no is a no. Look at the money kids a baba ponanga walk to Murepa. I'm sorry for raping you. I honestly didn't know what a Murumano gonna Murepa Mkazwake. Ye waka this Aurora and the Waka Gana and Makor and gonna go Murepa. I didn't know. I always thought a woman is always under the husband. And she should always do no damn room work without any questions. But I didn't know how much I was hurting you. I'm sorry, my time.
Abatan, I know you were hurting. But I was hurting too, and I needed you. We both lost the baby. But you know something right is you were never there for me when I needed you. I needed you here. I needed you to be my comfort.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my darling.
I love you so much. Shakuti, I forgave you. That's why I'm ready to
Better. When I do Muda child. But you're not well. I was helping you all this time. So emotionally you're not well. What about a miscarriage in my mind? Physically you're not well. You need to be healed first. I am happy with what I got. I have you. We have Lily. And we have our 2 beautiful children. Yes, sir.
I love you so much.
Mama wangu ndo anodedza nefoni mjeta na watu tsamwa futi.
Saka ndakangamisa. Kuizita rako.
Iwe unozozitero ratobviswa pachitupa. Okay, I have to go. Ndandofana basa very very early.
So I'm not getting a hug.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Don't ever come in Gwanzash.
There's only somebody that.
Fine, yes. Okay. And I have okay. Good day, Ali.
Lila said, Lila said food. I'm kasi bang.
Hi.
Hamana mo ba seri?
Nazina kurumedzisa chaizvo. Why are you being so nice?
I'm proud of you, Banko.
Nda.
I overheard Mchitara na Maitanya. Imagine too much. Mapega unge pasta vle.
Saka ni makuwa.
Bamkuru, ndine makuwe. Untaka ngonzwa ngumchitawo.
Ndakavala doga.
But you're talking out loud, ka. Saka ndakanzwa zvinoitawo.
But mbamune ceiling yo.
Bamkuru, come on. Hanti room yenyu neyangu iri pan is next to each other.
But it still hasn't zwika.
Bamkuru. Mukuziya zvandotry kutaura.
Chipo chakuti nzeva zina lady ne. I always think that when I know zero and I now accept that wrong is actually right. So I'm right and I'm very left. Better get that. How's good? You have no choice. Come on. Iwe.
Ndikuperekedzei kwacho zvakanaka. Kana muchandibata roko munondibata zvakanaka. Kwete undibata kunge musumu.
Yo, ndibata kuona. Nah. Jera wano. How do I look?
You look okay.
Do you think
You
the
don't
girls
look
will
great.
love me?
You look okay.
I am great.
No, you look okay.
Do you think the girls will love me? Come on. Good day, Anit.
Yes, Lil. What is it? What are you doing?
Kumba.
Uchi baby.
Ndaperekeza Bankuru.
Oh, what is it about Bankuru?
Waripasha.
Anditi. Lil. Nozwa chi. Ndozvizoti wandisuwo. Kana nini I miss you too, Lil. But pane chinhu wani chirongondinetsa. Ndavingoti maybe uchanditeerawo kana wenozondiona kana kundifonera. Pandakanotaura Ken. Sandakufunga kuti move on, Lil. Goodbye.
Mike. Is that how you talk to someone that you feel that you love?
So what did you teach?
I do love you, Mike. And if what we had never meant anything to you, yeah, then turn your back and walk away. But if it did, we don't give it alright. I had missed you, Singait. And I'm sorry for keeping you waiting all this while.
It's okay, Lily. I love you.
Come on, Ndiperekedze.
Let me taste one, the big one. Let's. Uzona nchifunga. Nupana umbono no my time.
Anyati, do I have to?
Someone rangu. I think you have to. Nongona munyaradzo mukadzi to mukadzi.
But babe, it's hard. I mean, you know, imagine yandifaririra.
Zvitondinetsa wena. Chiko nemimi wane chikadzi. Nikusafarirana for no reason.
Babe, does that mean can I watch Wira na Baba Tanya and Van Wira na Tina Mecha?
Ukuvunzo wangu. Can you please do this for me?
Okay, well, for you I'll do anything anyway.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
Alright. Anyway, let's eat these things. I need to go back to work.
Okay.
Okay? We'll just over there.
Yes.
Batanya wakutoboyeka nauri wega so. Lunch time yangu yapera. Bona
So you're
bomba.
Basa.
Have to go back to work.
So are you pregnant?
In bit.
Chidi.
My lips are well.
Chidi. Just that.
Just my lips.
Wait. Nothing more.
Nothing more. Just my lips.
more.
Just my lips.
Just my lips.
Just my lips.
Are you sure nothing more? Like, are you sure nothing more?
Just my lips.
Anyway. Can you pass?
And I'll see you.
Because ndakatora mandiri pana randizopi. Uri magnet here. Wakatongogara pauri chete woga.
Bring me something though.
Ukigila something.
Yeah.
Why?
So I am.
My pants.
Yeah. I'm looking at you. I mean, actually,
What I do?
it's
Ndagara kukutingira my pants.
just a reminder, boo.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you later.
And yes. Don't forget I see you.
Kuna futhi. Listen to you.
Fine, bye.
Bye.